origin of the earth. The history of humans is a closely related to the history of the earth. The earth contains a geological, archaeological, and biological records of historical times in the upper layers. The earth upper layers. What is mean by the archaeologies? Archaeology means a study of human past through the analysis and interpretations of the materials remains. First one is the analyze and interpretations of the materials is called a archaeology. Paleoanthropology is the study of the human ancestor and their evaluations by this study of the fossils remains. The fossils remains is the ancestors and their evaluations by the study of the fossil remains is a paleoanthropography. Free history period. The free history period does not have evidence of writing based on the lithic tools and cultures. So free history period does not have evidence. Lithic means the stones. The lithic classified into three types. One is a Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Neolithic period. So Paleolithic period 20 lakhs years to 80,000 BC. The roughly 2.5 million years ago. That is called a Paleolithic period. Mesolithic period 8,000 to 1300 BC and Neolithic period 2000 to 1000 BC. What is mean by the Paleolithic period? The Paleolithic period people's life was nomadic, that means a Nodody life, nomadic lives. These peoples used unpolished tools. By using the unpolished tools, the Paleolithic is a nomadic lives. Another one is Mesolithic period. Lithic means stones. Mesolithic period is known as a middle stone age as it is placed between Paleolithic and Neolithic period. So the middle age. So Paleolithic and the Neolithic period. The peoples were used microlithic tools, small tools, அதாவது சிறு சிறு கற்களை யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க. These peoples were hunter and gatherers. Next one is Neolithic period. Neolithic marks as a beginning of the agricultural and animal domestications. Peoples are settled in the river sides. So Neolithic period peoples using the cultivated of this agriculture and animal domestications, peoples are settled in the river side, river bank side. Iron Age 1300 BC to 300 BC. Iron materials was commonly used to make a tools. Is a Iron Age. The fifth one, early historic and Sangam Age 300 BC to 300 AD. The classical Sangam, the collections consist of தொல்காப்பியம், 11 மேல்கணக்கு, 11 கீழ்கணக்கு, and 5 ethics. So lithic means stones. Lithic period classified into 3 types: Paleolithic period, Mesolithic, Neolithic. So Paleolithic mean nomadic life, and Mesolithic means the Stone Age peoples between the Paleolithic and Neolithic, and Neolithic peoples are beginning of the agricultures and animal domestications, and Iron Age. The Iron Age 1300 BC to 300 BC. Iron metal was commonly used to make tools. Is in this Iron Age period is industries well developed in the European countries. Lot of weapons and lot of weapons also used in the First World War and Second World War. And early history and Sangam Age. The Sangam Age, தொல்காப்பியம் 11 மேல்கணக்கு, 11 கீழ்கணக்கு. Next one is civilizations. The ancient civilizations. The 4 types of the civilization. First one is Egyptian civilizations in Nile rivers, Mesopotamian civilizations, Euphrates and Tigris, Chinese civilizations, Yellow rivers, Indus civilizations, also known as a Harappan civilization. So the Neolithic peoples, the Neolithic marks the beginning of the agriculture and animal domestications. The people settled in the rivers. So the people settled in the rivers of the Nile rivers, Euphrates and Tigris rivers, and Yellow rivers, and Harappan civilization peoples. Thank you.